Remove the top cover of the SVPD unit. Fix the SVPD unit on the same wooden or Hylam or NFTC plank firmly inside the location box along with other units using nuts and bolts. Connect the wiring to the surge protection devices as per wiring provided. Provide the earthing connection by use of earthing cable supplied separately with the SVPD unit. Each SSDAC system comprises of two electronic counting units as entry and exit. These units are supplied with address settings preset by the factory. Following are the factory settings of the DIP switches. Following are the possible pairs of DIP switches address settings. Entry unit is to be installed at entry end and exit unit to be installed at exit end only. Fix the entry or exit unit firmly on the wooden or Hylam or NFTC plank inside the location box using clamps, nuts and bolts. Ensure that all the cards or modules are in proper position. Ensure all the card modules are properly tightened with screws provided. Connect the coupler cables as per wiring diagram provided. Ensure that all the MS couplers are properly tightened. Connect the coupler cables as per the wiring diagram provided. Provide the earthing connection by use of earthing cable supplied separately with the counting unit.